Very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all doing well. Today, topic 6, lecture 4, functions of banking, part 3. Actually, first we discussed about the primary function. This lecture, that is secondary function. So, what are the secondary function? First is agency function and utility function. These are the two secondary functions of banking. Let me see one by one. What do you mean by the agency function? The bank can act as an agent for the depositor. Okay. So how the bank can act as an agent? See, transfer of funds. One depositor, that is one client, right? Customer. They want to transfer the money to someone or some other businessman, whatever it is. So through the bank account, through his bank account, he can transfer the money from one person to other person. In between, who is doing as an agent role, the bank is doing, right? That is called a transfer of funds. And periodic collection, that is collecting dividend. Sometimes the account holder, he have that share from different companies. So all the shares are connected, linked with the account number, the account holder, right? So each and every time the dividend is collected by the bank on behalf of the customer from the companies for his dividend, is a share in the profit, as a profit, right? So this and all playing by the bank only, and salary also. So periodic collection of salaries and paying salary. So on behalf of the company, the bank is paying salary through the company account. Okay, and pension. Those who are retired from the government job, they are also getting pension through the bank, because all the pension account is connecting linked to that depositor account. So all this, that is called the agent role. So bank can act as an agent because they are doing many services on behalf of the account holder. And periodic payment. Suppose the bank want to, that is, the customer want to pay the periodic electronic bill or any other mutual fund or any other share amount, whatever they want to pay, that bank will take care, right? So see, through, for example, the electricity bill, payment of rent, whatever it is, automatically they will deduct. Okay, automatically they will deduct from the account. That is also periodic payment. On behalf of the client, they will do. Collection of checks. Okay, so link like collecting money from the bills of exchanges, the bank collects the money of the checks through the clearing section of the customers. Okay, so nowadays many banks are also still doing check collection. Okay, so some companies, some individuals, they give check to the one person. So that if you go and deposit the check, so through check they can collect from the other account. So that is called a collection of checks. Portfolio management, that is activities purchase of sales of shares and debentures. So on behalf of the client, the customer, the bank also doing the portfolio management, that is buying and selling of the shares and debentures through this account holder on behalf of the client. And debit and credit cards accounts, everything they can do, right? So this all comes in the portfolio management. Utility functions. So what do you mean utility functions? Other than this major amount transaction, some other functions also doing by the banking people. That is, under this bank act, bank act as a representative of its clients for other institutions. It acts as a executor, trustee, administrator, advisor, etc. See, for example, I'm telling, suppose the individual, he want to apply in some other, any private companies, otherwise as a businessman, he doing export to some other countries. The importing businessman, that is the importing person, he want, okay, some assurance through the bank account. The bank is ready to give the assurance letter, guarantee letter. Okay, so this is all provided by the bank. Okay, so like this, many utility functions are provided by the bank. Okay. So I hope you can understand the functions of the bank. So first is the primary function and the secondary function. Right? In primary function, first is the cash deposit. Secondary function, lending loans. In secondary functions, there is the bank giving the other, that is a utility function and the agency function. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation.